In this video, I'm going to show you how to take our trestle table and use it in 3 different rooms. Our first style is a farmhouse look. White paneled walls keep a light and airy feel. Upholstered beige chairs keep the space warm and inviting, while the bench seating keeps the room casual, and it gives you additional seating for your unexpected guests. The rustic materials in the artwork give us some texture on our walls. I chose our distressed white server to enhance the wood tones in the space. Dark metal pendants were hung as a creative way to mix rustic and chic styles. The black and white rug accented this style while defining the table. Up next is our modern room. The deeper blue walls are used as a fashion statement to set the tone. I enhanced the space with black, white, and gold accents. I changed the chairs to a dark gray to give a sense of drama, and our host chairs have a slight tufting while still giving a sleek look. I used a gold bar card to take place of a server to give a modern look while still adding function. A textured rug was set in place to center the room while still giving a sense of richness. Unique and bold artwork enhances your space. I kept the pendants the same because you don't need to change everything to achieve a new look. Lastly, here's our classic look. Throughout the room, we incorporated organic and ornate shapes that you can find in our rug, chest, and accents. Green is a well-known classic color. I chose to use it as a pop of color on our walls. Gray slip-covered chairs give a more formal look to this dining experience. I used large florals as a centerpiece that provides a focal point. Using a traditional styled chandelier gives a timeless feel to a classic look. And what dining room is complete without a little extra storage? I chose a chest as a perfect statement for this design. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned some tips from this and can use them in your own home.